How to use the wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Let's get started. Launch your Fantasy Premier League app, or also you can launch your Fantasy Premier League account in the web version. For this video, I'm going to use the web version. Head towards the website of Fantasy Premier League and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of transfers. Now over here, you'll find the section of wildcard. In order to be able to use the wildcard, first up you have to activate it, so click on it. You can make unlimited permanent transfers in a game week without incurring the usual 4-point cost for each. The second wildcard will be available for the date mentioned over there. This chip cannot be cancelled after you play it unless you have not yet made a cost transfer this game week. So go ahead and click on play chip. Once you activate it, now you can use the wildcard. At the right corner, you're gonna find the list of the players, defenders, midfielders, forwards and the goalkeeper. First up, you can go ahead and remove the players. So I'm going to remove few of the players, and once you do that, you can add it from the wildcard. At the right corner, you're going to find the players list. From there you can add it in this way. After you are done, at the bottom you'll see the option of make transfers. You have to click on it. With that, your team will be set up. So this is how you can easily use the wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.